guys, we're back. We took a week off there. Had my sister's wedding. Things got busy, but we are back. Yeah, we're back on the grind though, making videos. So we got the spillway behind us. That's where we're planning to fish that. And this is the famous spot of the game warden got in trouble. So could hopefully things go well next time, but
never know, guys.
We'll see. The goal today, though, is to catch as many fish as we can underneath the spillway. Y'all stay tuned. Go ahead and pull out my license here.
Do what?
Go ahead and pull up my license. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Fishing license?
Yep.
All right. Yep.
That'll work. Y'all be safe.
Have a good one. I don't know if he saw the video or not, but he didn't look too upset, you know. That's all we wanted to happen the first time. I'm just saying. There he is, there he is, there he is.
Oh, what is that?
It's gotta be a shoaly.
Oh my goodness.
Good so bad.
On a hell of a mate.
Oh, wow.
Oh, come on.
What a good fish.
Stop, stop, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, stop.
Oh,
stop. Stop.
He's a little lively.
Okay, stop. Actually, is that a... Yeah, that's a shoaly. Nice shoal bass, man. He's sitting there. Right up under that stuff. Nice shoal bass, guys, right here under the waterfall. Caught him on the old Helgermite. Strikes again.
Let him go.
That was fun. Dude, it was just like he was right there and it was like tick tick. And it was like whack. I think there's a ledge right there up under the waterfall or something, man. He was like right there.
Oh, might have been a fish. I don't know. Got him. Yeah. Oh. What do I got? Oh. Nice bass. Yeah. Got him on the pink one.
That one's pretty, dude.
Ah.
That one got some pretty colors.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Check that out, guys. Second shoal bass of the day. And look at that pink rooster tail. Did the trick.
Doing the job.
Wow.
Thanks, doing the work over here. Isn't it crazy how they're just like right under it, dude?
They're right in there, I'm telling you. It's so awesome that you can catch shoal bass here.
Dude, that was a bite.
Really? Yeah. I missed one before this one.
It might have been a bluegill or a redbreast, but I don't know.
Check him out, guys. Oh, Dad's getting bit. That's our second shoal bass. Beautiful fish. This guy right here, man. All right, dude. Chill out, chill out. Good grief. There he goes. We'll let him go. He's obviously ready.
Hey, dude.
I know. There's something about the shoal bass, like the rooster tail in this little spot. Caught multiple now. Oh, you got him. Oh, he came off.
He had it the whole time, dude.
Bro, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Slammed it. Oh, big old red breast. Dude, he was right there in front of me. Wow. Man, I love these fish.
Getting fired up.
Whew. What a pretty fish. I love to catch these fish, man. It's awesome. All right, guys, there he is. Pretty red breast. Colors on that thing are just beautiful. Right under this spillway right here. I love it. Let's get them back. Got him. Yeah. Woo! Bluegill. Oh man. Dude, nice. Check him out, guys. Good sized bluegill there. On the beetle spin. I made a little switch this time. Let's get them back. Got him. Oh, dude, beetle spin goes crazy right now. What is that? Yeah. Oh man. Get up in here, boy. Woo-wee. I don't know, Dad. Might want to switch. Might want to switch. Look at that, guys. Look how big that fish is. That's a big old bluegill. Got a black beetle spin, wearing them out. Right underneath the spillway. Oh, I caught him. Right underneath the spillway, man. That's crazy. I love that kind of fishing. It never gets old. Gorgeous bluegill. Let's get them back. That never gets old. Whew. Man. Anything with a flash, though. Killing them. Kind of really slowly reeling it in back to me. And one thing I love about a beetle spin, you don't have to reel it fast to get it to spin. Like a rooster tail, you kind of gotta reel it at a certain speed to get it. This thing spins at a really low speed. And that really helps when they don't want something real fast. They just want it slowly going through there. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. But. There we go, guys. I look a little large now. A little spot.
No, that's a largemouth. That's a largemouth. Oh, great. It's a little largemouth, guys. Came up and hit the Helgermite though. And they're swimming around up under the waterfall, looking for food. They're foraging out there, guys. They're just trying to catch them. Good deal. Let's throw them back.
Another little bass. Got a little bass. Oh, got him. Got him. Woo! Oh, another good one. Yeah. Man, these bluegill are healthy. Look at that one. You choked it. Man. Tell you what. This spot right here in the corner, man. It's producing some fish. That's a good looking bluegill right there. Whew. There we go. Awesome. They can't deny the beetle spin. Oh, got him. Little dude. Little red breast. Man, look at the pretty tail on that guy. I got the red tail. Man, these guys are so active today. Beautiful colors on him though. He wants to go back, so. Oh man, there he goes. Man, the fish they won't stop today. They're full of energy. Yeah. Oh! Hey! Right there, boy. Beetle spin does it again. Right there by the bank. Beautiful fish, guys. These ain't cheapy little dudes either. These are nice bluegill. Yeah. Almost light tackle, feels really good. Let's let him go. They're just like all on these rocks. Yeah. Where at? Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Something, I don't know. A red breast maybe. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Nice. There we go, guys. Look, he just, There we go, guys. Little red breast hanging out over here, right up under the waterfall. Right where he's supposed to be, on the old beetle spin. Strikes again, guys. Beetle spin getting it done today. Let him go. Alright, guys. That's that. We saw that game Warden from a few videos ago that a lot of you guys have probably seen. If you haven't, go watch it. I'll leave the link to it. But overall, this was a lot better encounter. He just asked for our fishing licenses. We showed him. He said, have a nice day, and left. So it's about as smooth as it can go. Yeah, guys, I mean, you know, you never know what's going to happen, you know, when you have these encounters, guys. But at the same time, those guys have a job to do.
last time I was in the water, I guess that's what he got upset about. You know, the whole fish thing. I mean, we could go back and forth about he was wrong, we were wrong. But the fact is that this time he was nice, he was kind, he was courteous, he was doing his job. He asked for our license, we showed it to him, and he said, y'all have a good day. And that's our encounter most of the time with game wardens. There's not really much to be scared of, guys. And they're out there doing a job that's hard, honestly. It's a hard job. We support our local law enforcement. We love law enforcement. We have family that's law enforcement. So these guys have a tough job, guys. And, you know, sometimes you got to give somebody a second chance. It's just like me or just like you. You would want a second chance, and you treat people the way that you want to be treated. And it turns out good most of the time, guys. And it absolutely did this time. He was a nice guy. He's doing his job, and I can't blame him for that.
Yep, good encounter. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. See y'all in the next video.